in the steps there. Nice, nice.
Yeah, like that one bit.
Not one bit. I don't like that at all. I get a major award too for doing that.
Yeah, 'cause the Outer Banks, she refused to go up into the White House. Only she got mad and made it that she was really mad at all of us, and she didn't want to go because she was mad at us.
The first are hollow.
And the truth was, she was just afraid.
Look, the first are hollow.
I didn't want to go up, it was hot. And years ago, somebody told me.
He told you what?
It was so hot in there. And it was hot to begin with.
Yeah, it was hot.
And I don't like to go up, and I don't see any reason to go up there to see what I could see down below.
Don't you wish they'd just make it so you could slide down when you were done?
Yes, those people was fun. I don't think they'll miss it.
Water slide.
No water slide.
They could make a water slide open.
Are you brave now? Can you do it on your own?
I have to take off my shoes. Go in.
Oh, it's the Hardy Girls or whatever they were called.
You can make it.
That is true.
And it's hard for me to climb up the steps. But I get it. With chicken. I don't care. Go ahead. I did it. You sound like you had there, chicken. Everybody's doing the chicken noise. So we walk down the steps, but it's hard on my knees. See what you do? I have to tell Trina I went up 178 steps.
Quite a feat. Not a joke.
Yeah.
I'm just clawing it down here.
Yeah, I bet they were pretty